All right, this is my day trading session for December the 7th. Okay, we're going to look to see if we can capitalize off trading supply and demand like I normally do and make some profit here. So if you're first time viewer here on the channel, I'm a scalper and I trade. This is my go-to market, guys, the E-mini S&P 500. So I look at the market this morning. This is off my 12 range chart here. There was a break right here. Price came back down to this zone here. I was looking for maybe take a break once price broke this area here, but it was pretty quick because price bounced off of this demand zone right here. So, and then it broke higher. So, at this moment here, I'm just going to kind of wait to see because when it got back to this area right here, down here, it kind of got price kind of moved pretty quick down to this area, bounced and pushing up higher now. So, if you look at structure though. This is off the 12 range chart. We've been making lower lows and lower highs the last several days, or last few days. So my bias at this point, well, to be honest with you, we did break structure right here this morning, right here at the tops right here. So off the 12 range chart, be looking maybe possibly, you can look for some long entries, possibly, but only because of the fact we broke structure here. But if you look at probably the higher time frame, we'll take a look at the 60 range chart. I'm not sure, my charts are computer's kind of acting a little funny today. Sorry about that. Looking at the 60 range chart, which is my higher time frame, we're actually breaking structure to the downside here. So breaking through levels. So the opportunity is probably to be looking for short pullbacks to go short, but that's not to say that you cannot trade or try to trade from the lower time frame chart when searching for those supply and demand zones to trade from. So we'll take a look here to see and see if we can kind of maybe capitalize on a few entries. So we'll see. Yeah. So I need to pay strict attention. There possibly could be, let's see, something that maybe right here in this area, price can probably push through this pretty quick. So we'll see if we get a break to the downside here. I may take a quick stab short. We'll see though. Price is kind of jumping right now. Okay, I'm short. Look at that. Didn't feel me quick enough. I'm short. All right. May come a little lower here. So I am short here. Come on, baby. I'm going to go ahead and try to put this out on Discord if I can capture this trade here. We do have a Discord community for anyone who's interested. You can find the link down in the description portion or of any video here on the channel. So let's see if we can, price is going to react on this level here. At this zone here. Looks like you may want to try to push a little higher here. Come on, baby. May have got in just a tad bit too early here on this trade. Let's see what's going to happen. So hopefully we get the rejection we're looking for here. Price pushes lower, comes down to, I guess, around the 40 area. Now, if you don't know much about hidden pivot levels, 70 and 40 is a good hidden pivot level to pay close attention to as well. Looks like price trying to push higher. Let's see. Yeah, I took the trade too early here, so I am definitely no, not to. I didn't want to go. I want to go. I'm gonna take another. Come on, fill that up. Fill it. Okay, there we go. All right, so I think we could probably get a little bounce to the downside now here. So hopefully, come on. But yeah, 40 and 70 are hidden pivot levels or areas where price can reject. Just like as you have the half numbers and round numbers. I think I took this trade way too early, so we should probably get the rejection we're looking for now. So basically what I did here was scaling with another contract to kind of cover that gap and to cover my trade a little bit. So come on. Okay, so, all right, probably will come a little bit lower here. I'm looking for, yeah, I probably need to be careful here. Let me go ahead and take out right here. It's pulling back on me. I'm gonna go ahead and take out, okay. It's pulling back, it's bouncing right here in this area here. It may come down a little lower. Yep, there we go. I'm gonna enter it again, just for a quick little scalp right here. But it's going to be real quick here. Come on. There we go. All right. Yep, that area right here, I just mentioned that, okay? So that was a nice little trade that I took. You can see how fast the market is really erratic right now. Very volatile, so you got to be very, look at that. Look at that. Okay, so we might have some news. Let me take a look at the news right quick. Yeah, the only thing I see is crude at 10:30 today, so I'm not sure what's causing the volatility, the high volatility in the market today. But again, that was a pullback to a key area. I'm up 27 ticks right now, so two little small trades there. So I'll go ahead and put that out there on Discord. Just a screenshot of that entry I took. Again, if you're interested in joining the Discord, you can join us by finding the link down in the description portion of the video. And we have two channels set up there. One is the general chat channel. The other one is the trading floor channel. And the trading floor is for, when we're trading in a session, traders that are actually trading. You can share your levels or zones, your trade entries and things like that. Discussion about the market as it is at hand during the trading session. If anything else specific to or questions of or general information about the future markets. Again, this is a future markets channel, so we're looking at trading the futures each and every day. So yeah, come and join us if you're interested in joining. All right, so I'm putting this out here on Discord. Okay, there's a short entry. Okay. So let's see what happens next here. Okay, this right here. This was a little area of demand sitting right here. I didn't take it. Missed that entry because I was looking over at the disc. All right, so the way I trade is I'm looking for excuse me, I can't even get it out. Breaks of structures and pretty much fill with a gap. Look at this. Look at this craziness in the market right now. If we get a break here, I may take a trade. I'm short. Short entry, baby. I'm going to try to record this one or screenshot this one as well. Come on. Don't do that. Why's the market? My computer's froze up. There we go. Okay, come on. There we go. Okay, we got filled in on that entry there. All right, I'm gonna put that out on the Discord as well, on the Discord communities. Again, if you're interested in joining the Discord, Find the link down in the description portion of the video. Let's see. That was my second entry. Well, actually third entry because I took 2 shorts. But I'm going short, like I said, because I'm looking at the market condition. Or market structure, I should say. Where's that one at? That last entry there. 49. Okay, there we go. Short on the pullback. I was short on the pullback. To supply. Okay. Yep, entered on 2 ES contracts there. Okay. All right. So right now, I would say, let's see how many. Just trying to see what I have as far as So I'm up 44 ticks right now. Okay, scalping away. That's me, guys. I'm a scalp trader, and I trade, like I said, looking at supply and trying to locate supply and demand zones, and you know, to wait for price breaks to get back to it. So there's a couple of things I'm always looking for before I take an entry. I got to see pretty much a breaking structure, kind of a gap. You know, not what most people are thinking like a void or a gap where there's no, you know, record or data, whatever the case is. Actual gap. I share that and talk about that in many videos. Gap fill area and basically a candle break or so. Okay, or price closing below the area. All right. So let's see here. What's next? Let's see. What is price doing now? And I'm primarily trading straight from my my 12 range chart here. You know, if you're a new trader, I don't recommend trying to trade from like an entry chart of yours, whether it's a 5-minute chart or whatever entry chart you trade from. You know, I would definitely recommend staying in the direction with the higher time frame. So that means trading in the direction of the higher time frame. So yeah. Let's see. So the market is definitely, you know, moving sideways now. It broke this area here, okay, this swing high here, pushed up mid high here, pulled back. So we're trading within this leg right here, moving sideways in a wedge, all right? For all those that don't know, well, you know what a wedge looks like. This is like almost like a triangle to the side, okay? So this would be the base, and that'll be the top in a sense. But it's a wedge. Price is trading within this leg here to the downside, all right? So keep that in mind. You ever see price doing that? You're a new trader, someone that's, beginner trader. Be mindful about, first of all, price trading inside of an inside day. And then also, you know, when you see wedges and things like that. Because price right now is trading. It broke yesterday's low here. Now we're trading back in the range, okay? All right. So we'll see what happens here. So I'm basically day trading within this wedge, you know, looking for day trading the supply and demand zones within this wedge right here, here on the, the E-mini S&P 500. So we'll see. Again, we done took a couple of trades off of a few supply and demand zones. I think each one of my trades, the 3 trades I've taken so far, are all been shorts. So we'll see what the market has to say here in a moment, in a sense. So even within this wedge here, what you got going on now is price broke through this area structure here, pulled back, breaking structure back to the downside. It's made a new high, breaking, to the upside here. So it broke structure back to the upside here. So you just got to pay attention to price action. So on this pullback right here, off this leg, it's made a high, higher low, and a new high right here. So You can still trade. It's a sideways or range trading. You can definitely do so. Let's see what the VPOC is for today. So see, right now we're trading around the point of control. I use the 4 range chart to kind of keep me in reference of where the point of control is. Also, I'll trade with the 4 range sometimes in a range of market like this, and pair it with the 12 range. You know, when I definitely looking for maybe price pulling back to a demand zone or supply zone on my 12 range chart. Then I'll scale down and wait for a structural break on the 4 range chart. So I do have a great strategy that I like to. Just the beginning of me making these videos that I put out there. Basically, again, it's break of structure on one time frame chart. Okay, wait for price to come back to on that same time frame chart. So once price breaks structure, say on the 12 range chart, pulls back to demand on the 12 range chart, then I scale down to my 4 range chart right here. I look for a break of structure, which area demand would be created. Then on the 4 range chart, price come back to it, and then look take my entry. So using paired chart approach. You know, if you want more information about that strategy, that simple strategy of how I trade using paired charts or 2 charts together, then just go watch some of the videos, especially some of the supply and demand videos on the channel, or any video on there where I primarily are talking about, you know, trading in certain zones, supply and demand zone locations, or whatever the case is. So just kind of search query on the homepage on the channel, the YouTube channel here. And with a little magnifying glasses, you can type supply and demand, and it should pull up a list of supply and demand videos. Some of them may be my recorded trading sessions. Some of them may be more informational, where I'm giving examples and things like that. So just, you know, pay attention and do your homework and do your research and watching the videos. All right, so let's see. What am I looking for here now? Yeah, it's like wedging within a wedge. It's wedging within a wedge now, so be careful. Price broke this area here, pulled back to it. So I like gaps when I'm trading, and you know, looking for entries or whatever the case is. So yeah, I think I'll kind of stand down until I see something else that, to me, that makes sense, to me, that is interesting or appealing to my eye before I tackle anything else. All right, guys, this is my little man here. Say hello to the group. You gonna say hello? Huh? This is my little man, our addition to the family. He's very gentle, very cuddly. Good little puppy. He's only going to get probably about 8-10 pounds at most, so he's going to be small, but very loving. I guess it's kind of an early Christmas present if you guys want to say that. But you want to say hello? Huh? Say hello. This is him. Okay, his name is Apollo. Say hello, Apollo. All right. All right, so let's see, guys. I'm going to keep him here in my arms for right now. So let's see if I can do a little trading and see if we can. Let's see what happened here. I might be interested in price comes back to this area right here, so let's see. Come on, computer's acting a little funky today. I'm not sure. We get a break in this area here. It's already tested this area right here. This was the area of supply sitting there. So we'll see here. Yeah, I see prices want to break higher now. Okay. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I just want to break higher. Gotta be careful there. Gotta be careful there. This, well, I took that short right here. That was a rejection off a supply right here. When I went short right here, back down to this area right here. Okay, so I was maybe looking to take a short here. It price rejected this area, but it pushed right through it. So yeah, be careful here. Price may want to continue pushing higher. It can bounce right here where it's, where it's at right here. It gets right to this area here. It can bounce and push up higher. There is an area of, let me take a look here. A little area of demand sitting right here. Well, it's an area of demand resting right here. Price could pull back to it. So we'll see. Hmm. Yeah. I have to be careful here. Hmm. I'm going short. Come on. Going short here, guys. Come on. Trying to go short, I should say. Let me go ahead and do a screenshot on this. Put this out in the Discord community. Come on, baby. I'm going to take out right here because we got a high volume node right here. It could push a little lower than this. Come on, hit that target. Hit. There we go. Okay, we got filled there. All right, I'm good. Come a little lower. Let's see. Went short. And I'm going to put that out there on Discord. Again, if you're interested in joining our Discord community, you can find that link down in the description portion of the video. That was a rejection off an area up here. This wasn't an area of supply, but I had to wait for price to pretty much break below 50 pretty much for me to enter that trade, and I waited for that to happen, and I entered. Looking to take price back down to this area, right? This area down here. There's demand resting down here, so be careful. Right around when price is bouncing, it may come a little lower, but it could bounce right here. We do have this high volume area sitting right here. So if you check you could do like a micro range profile, and price is gonna react here because you have this high volume area right here. So it could come back down here though to around 40, 41, somewhere around there. Okay, see it coming a little lower now. All right. So I wanted to share that entry with you guys just as well. Today is, let's see. 42. So that may be my last trade for today. Let's see. Picking up 73 ticks. Share it with you guys. 73 on that trade. I'm not on that trade, but all together today. I'm taking it light in a sense because we are moving into the holiday season, and volume is probably, I'm sure, a little low. Market analyzer. Yeah, we got a little bit higher volume than the last few days at this time of the morning, so it's not too bad. But I'm gonna go ahead and share this with the community as well. All right. So I mentioned, guys, we are trading in a trading wedge. Price has not broke this high yet. Okay, so we're still in this wedge here, ranging, kind of moving sideways, and I'm able to capitalize. But this was a trade off of, there was an area of demand, supplies resting up here prior to when price started breaking to the made its high, started taking out structure to the downside as it pushed lower, making lower lows and lower highs, pulling back. Was it tested? Yeah, there was it was tested. But if you get the rejection, once price pulls back or taps to an area of supply, you're gonna have to wait for price to break through some areas, I say. So my aim was to target price back down this area here because there was, a small area, this area of demand right here. With all that aggressive buying that came out of this swing to the upside here, this is demand resting right here. So my aim was to take price back down to demand resting down to this area off the rejection of supply, okay? Or the area of supply, I should say. All right, so that's probably going, it looks like price may try to, it reacted here. Let's see. Not sure what it's going to do here, if it's going to take this area here out or not. We'll see. So right now it's kind of reacting here. It may try to push lower. I'm not sure what it's going to do. I was kind of expecting it to bounce here and maybe come back and test up this area here, but just be careful here. All right, so you can see price is reacting right now. It's rejecting that area, so quick little bounce there below this high volume area, but it could continue pushing lower, so we'll see. It's definitely a wedge right here. And this is how I trade supply and demand every single day. So it's not hard. I'm a scalper, like I said. I don't entertain or get into swing or position trading. I like to take my profit, look for the setups, take my profit, move on to the next setup, looking for the next supply and demand zone. I think it's going to run back up to I think it's going to get a run back up to the area up top there, so I may enter with a long entry. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. I'm going long. I think it's going to run back up to the tops up here. So I'm going to take my first contract out. Let's see. Up in here. Then maybe my second one up in here at 52. We'll see. Maybe a little higher. See what happens here. Yeah, we'll put this one. We'll do it like this. Go ahead and try to screenshot entry this trade here, because I'm sure there'd be some individuals that'd be interested in this trade here and why I'm taking it. It could pull back before it goes up though, so I'm being careful. This trade here probably could take a little bit, so there we go. Got to move now. Come on. It's going to do its thing. Push up, pull back, push up, pull back. That's how the market moves. We got to be careful here because we do have a an area of. I'm gonna take my first contract out right here, guys. I'm not gonna allow the market to take too much. It can push higher though. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and take out right here because we're at this high volume node here. Yeah. Because all right, I'm gonna go ahead and see what the market does here. We got this high volume area right here. I know price gets above it right here. We have a little low volume node. Price can reject here, pull back before possibly trying to push higher. So I'm gonna go ahead and stand down. But I'm up 96 now. Okay. Go ahead and see that trade there? Told you. Look what it's doing. It's going up. Probably coming just a little bit higher, able to fill my first contract. But we're at this little low volume node now, so we got to be careful. Let's put that screenshot out there as well. Where we at? 152. Let's see here. Okay. What I have 49. I was trying to get out at 49. My first contract at 49 a quarter. So, let's see. I took that profit. I think it was around 46 and a half. So it may come back up here and test, like I said, this area up here around 52. Back to 52 and a half, probably. Let's see. Yeah, 52 and a half. We'll see. Oh. What you doing, little man? All right. I'm gonna probably get ready to jump off here and call it a day. I'm gonna share the Discord with you guys. Here it is right here. Let me share it to you. Show it to you. This is our Discord community for anyone that's interested in joining. You can see where I posted my entries for today. This is the trading floor channel on the Discord server, and it's just an area where we come together as future traders and you know, discuss our zones, levels, trade entries, screenshots of our trade entries. Talk about the market in the current market or current session at hand. So again, if you're interested in joining, you can find the link down in the description portion of the video. We have the general chat channel just as well. It's for, you know, individuals that are wanting or interested in sharing information or asking questions about certain things pertaining to the future markets. So our channel, it surrounds and is for future traders. So if you're interested in joining, like I said, you can just find that link down in the description portion of the video, and it's free of charge. So look forward to you joining. All you have to do is click on the link, invite yourself in, and that's it. All right, so I think I'm gonna wrap my day up here and call it a day. Call it a session. Enjoy the rest of the day. Even though we got a little bit of gloomy weather, I think I'm gonna wrap it up and give my little man here something to eat, and I think he's a little tired right now. So I'm gonna call it here. If you're trading, please be safe in the market, guys. I appreciate everyone who's already subscribed to the channel. You guys know what it is. And to everyone who is currently watching this and is a new subscriber, please take the time. Click on the red button down below, the subscribe button, and click on the bell. Turn your post notifications on to make sure you never miss one of the uploads here on the channel. And if you want to join and you're looking to see more of my little man here, this cute little fellow in the videos, I'll bring him on board just as well and try to get him incorporated into the videos. He is a little cutie. So thank you guys. See you in the next one. Take care.